Here we're going to go through the Polycom KIRK 5020 a little bit. This model does not include the Bluetooth headset, so we're going to have to not use it. First, let's power on the device. You'll see the little power symbol beneath this button, so we'll go ahead and press and hold. And it will power up. It'll come up with the Polycom logo, and then it will connect to the KWS 300 KIRK server. You'll notice the extension number up here in the top left-hand corner and the time over here on the right. To make a call on this device, the easiest way for me especially is I just like to dial the number. Then press the send button. To get to speakerphone on this number pad here, or this up, down, left, right pad, I'm going to press the up button, and then we're here on speaker, and then over here on the right side is a volume control. It's actually ringing my Google Voice right now. Another nice feature is if I do pick up a call, I'm actually going to call it from my Polycom phone over here. Hear it ring. I can answer, silence, or reject. We're going to answer it by pressing the white button. I'll press mute. We also have a mic mute button here. You can also turn the mic on. I can also go to options. I can hold the call. I can press down to new call, or maybe it needs to be put on a little bit louder. But the nice way to transfer the call is if I press R, type in the telephone number that I want to transfer to, say 201, and click on transfer. It'll transfer the call as a blind transfer right away, no problem. Some other nice things about this phone, so let me go ahead and click on menu. We can have a phone book on here. You have to do this on the phone itself. You can't do it within the server. Call register, that's incoming calls, outgoing calls, missed calls, etc. Messages, and if you have the voicemail box set up on the telephone. We go to status, we can hit silent, headset. We also have a headset jack right here for a little headset here. It's not the same size pin connector as, for example, iPhone earbuds. However, you can get a little adapter and plug it right in. The battery, the ringer tone, what the tone is. Maybe I want to change the tone, change it to 7. I personally like 1. The volume, the information about the device, what the device is, KIRK 5020, so on and so forth. Some other settings here: ringing volume, ringing tone, alerting. It's also got vibration on it, which is very nice. So if you're out in the field, or if you just want to turn off the ringer, you can do that as well. That's correct. So if we go to menu, actually if you go down, you have find name. Up is find name, right is missed call, left is call list. We go back to menu, come down here to settings. Here's where we can change the ring volume, and then we can do the rocker, left and right on this phone. It's a little different from some of the other models that they have. So let's go back. You can also put a key lock on it, or change the backlight, dimmed, off, or delay. Auto answer. Auto answer means that you can have the phone automatically answer the calls no matter what. Out of range, you can have the settings set up for that. These are usually changed by us on setup. First day, like what happens. Advanced language, any key answer, headset, long key, etc. Any key answer is kind of nice, so that if you don't want to press the white button, you can have it just pick up the phone right away by pressing any button. That's a really quick overview. We'll go through how to call an extension and a telephone number again. So if I want to dial extension 201, I'll go ahead and press 201, send. And it's dialing the extension now. If I press the up button, I'll get the speakerphone. If I press the down button, the up button again, it will go back to the handset as well. I could also press the white button first. I could also dial the number I want to dial and then press dial. I think it's a few more button presses, so it doesn't really work out for me. To end the call, press the white button again. And that's just a quick overview of the Polycom KIRK 5020.